Hey guys, what's going on? It's Aaron here with RHR Swag, and today we want to talk to you a little bit about what covers we feel are the best sealing. You know, each one has a little bit different benefit. Some you get a hard folding action, some you get a soft rolling action. Each one seals a little bit differently and a little bit better, a little bit worse than the next guy. And you know, in this video, this is what we feel is the best sellers for all of our customers. You know, we get the best reviews on these. You know, obviously none of them are 100% proof. You're going through a hurricane or something, expect a little bit of water in there. But these are some of the ones that we feel are the best and going to bring you the best benefit.
Best sealing tonneau covers. The LOMAX original hard trifold truck bed cover. Opens, closes, removes, and reinstalls in seconds. Super low profile and 10-point auto locking panels ensure a weather-tight seal on all four sides. 4 finish options available and works with the Watertight Pro. The LOMAX Stance hard trifold truck bed cover. Covered in a black URE finish. No drain tubes ensure a weather-tight seal. Model-specific design and a fast clamp install. Stored upright when needed. Weather-tight seal with 10-point auto locking panels. The Access original roll-up vinyl cover. 4-sided sealing, seals in the front and on sides. Clamp back design seals when the tailgate closed. Fully opens and closes in seconds. And fast clamp install. Works with rack select. The Lear HF650M quad folding cover. Weather-tight design, no drain tubes. This unique design sheds rainwater, and the built-in top side seals help keep the water out of the bed. Brake light stays visible when folded all the way forward. And works with racks like Watertight Pro. And for additional sealing benefits, make sure you add a trail seal tailgate seal. Add sealing benefits and truck utility with bull rings.
Alright guys, thank you for stopping by. Remember, every cover in this video is featured on our website. Stop by rhrswag.com if you have any other questions. Customer service will be happy to help you out. Or if you have any additional questions, feel free to comment below. We can always give you a hand right on the channel here. Remember, like, follow, subscribe, RHR Swag.